We all rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, terrific.
Do it again?
Please.
Okay, no problem.
So the dream session is a chance for customers to think about everything beyond their traditional implementation. So they look at the software that they currently have, and they typically box themselves into capabilities without thinking about what we can bring to the table outside of those capabilities. And SAS is constantly growing, so it's just a chance for us to pull together our brightest people, our best connections, and expand on what people think is possible. Have you had a chance to sit down and think about where you want to start? Like, what are each of your own biggest priorities with this new software implementation?
I think we were really excited to have the SAS team come and lead this dream session. I think just having another set of eyes and ears and to help guide the conversation and ask questions, I think it really became a discovery session. I think we knew a lot about what we were hoping to accomplish, but their questions and where the conversation went completely took it in a new direction.
My favorite part about doing these workshops is just the ability to engage with the customer in a just personal setting. So I feel like we're able to kind of take those cues and then just pull insights from them, sort of steer the conversation in a way that might get them thinking about something that could really change their business.
Being in person, I think it really opens up those creative juices to flow and to collaborate on ideas. I think it gives you that environment to really start thinking about the problem in new ways.
And I'm excited to see how we can use SAS Viya across digital platforms like app and the chatbot. We really got to hear each other's ideas right in front of us, and if someone had something to say, they could easily say it.
The collaborative nature of the conversation, being able to look around the table and have different team members jump in and share their ideas and questions, I think you can't replicate that over a camera. So I think that has just been really great.
And Viya does that, it's built in, but essentially how I've seen it done for non-programmers, making it accessible to everybody, is that you build out a VA dashboard so you could filter or select your drop-downs, whatever you want, and it spits out the result for you.
That sounds awesome. Okay.
Yeah, the moment that an idea popped into my head during that session, here's a problem that we have had that I didn't necessarily think, oh, maybe SAS could solve this for us, but then just bringing it up in our brainstorming session and having Emily be like, oh yeah, here's a great solution for that. That was really cool to see.
I think the process sort of illuminated the different areas and dependencies that we have, and that finding some efficiencies in, for example, Christina's space and in the data engineering can really open up a lot of opportunity and potential for Meg and Michelle's world. I think that will help us prioritize some of the projects that we want to work on, and that might not have been something we realized on our own without that guided discussion.
I feel like today went really great. We had a set period of time to really work through everything without interruptions, dig into those use cases, and understand where you are coming from and where you're going with this software.
Having that strategy mindset is really what we're all about, so it was the perfect blend of what are you guys trying to get done and how can we help you get there? So it was really that teamwork there that was perfect.
We work with a lot of different partners with a lot of different skill sets and capabilities. And so getting that today, I think, was the aha moment for me of I feel like we now really understand where they're at and where we need to build upon and grow from here.
What has me most excited is coming out of our strategy session, going back to, where our desks are and hearing the team be excited about knocking some things off the wish list or leveraging some of this new technology that we didn't even know was a possibility, new ways to visualize our data, new ways to explore it. I think it helps us stay motivated and see the long-term vision.